We appreciate, as the people of Mombasa, for reverting port operations, which is the backbone of the people of Coast Region and the entire Kenya. We know KPA is a parastatal, and when the port services were taken to Naivasha and the other areas, for the last 5 years, the people of Mombasa have suffered inwardly. We really appreciate you, and we want to assure you that we will support you 100%, and we are ready to work with your government to ensure that you realize and achieve your aspiration as laid within the manifesto of the Hustler Nation.
The first one is that people living with disabilities have to be assessed with a cost of 1,500 to 2,000. Majorly, people living with disabilities have no money, and their opportunities are very rare. May I ask you, Your Excellency, to allocate opportunities for people living with disabilities in every sector in this country. Point number 2, Your Excellency, we have a problem with the CBC. The CBC system of learning, of education, has hindered the poor child from getting proper knowledge, because now it's very expensive, it requires a lot of money. So we would recommend for the 844 to continue. However, similarly, some few subjects from the CBC can be converted into 844 to empower a child growth. Your Excellency, we really need to appreciate you for conquering the opponents. However, the task ahead of you, we continue praying for you and wishing you all